as well. Today I will be unboxing something Evil Twin. So if you like these types of videos where I unbox authentic Evil Twin items like today, Evil Twin, I DIY, I compare bags, do a review on bags plus more, then please like and subscribe. And if you want to talk fashion style, then DM me on my Instagram at TCP_luxury. Let's get started. What did I buy? I got a little bit of Chanel. So let's go ahead and open this baby up. It includes the ribbon, paperwork and whatnot. That side, box is in great condition. Here is the dust bag. I did not get a camellia flower. I like the camellia flowers, but well, let's open this up. It's a pretty nice dust bag. It is like cotton. And yes, folks, whoa. I didn't think she was gonna be this pretty, but wow. I know it's picking up hints of like green, but there's pink. It's the iridescent white Chanel bag. It is so soft. This is such a beautiful bag. I'm late to the game. I know a lot of girls, a lot of ladies already have this, but I had to get a classic flap. It is adorable. Okay, I removed all the plastic protectors, and there is the double C's, and they are really straight. Opening this up, it is a beautiful, it was covered in the blue protector plastic and I removed it. Everything is correct. This should be on the left, so Chanel should be on the left side, and the screws are correct. And so the zipper looks right. All the paperwork is in this cute little folder. Not hologram, it is how it's supposed to be, and it's plastic. Nice. And I'm gonna check to see if that actually matches the code inside. Yes, it does match. I shall keep this information. Pocket there, and there's a pocket here. I did want the smaller size. I am beginning to love smaller bags way more than normal. Lovely quilted soft leather is really, really beautiful. I'm pretty much speechless because it's so pretty. I didn't realize it was gonna be this pretty, but when the light hits it, it does give a hint of green. With no light, it's more like that. It's like more of a pinkish shine. You can still see the hints of green, but not really. Turn on the light and it gives that beautiful sheen, iridescent color. Wow. I'm impressed with this bag, like really, really impressed. There's the chain. And I noticed that it's like hinged here and hinged there. And say hello, little girl. Say hi. I'm such a mean owner, but and she could tell that she is not traumatized. Anyway, so like, yeah, there's no Chanel on the little rivets here. And there is a beautiful pocket in the back. And will fit. And it shall not, and this is only an 8. Let's see if I take off. Let's see, oh, they match. No, she won't fit. She'll only fit this way. You can wear her as a cute little shoulder bag, and I'm 5'4", just to give you an idea. That's how it fits as a little shoulder bag, or just take out this beautiful strap. Oh my God, this is like one of my favorite bags right now. And it kind of hits me right here by my butt, so it is pretty long, but not too bad for me. And this is a small size. I probably might get like something to make it a little bit shorter, because I like my crossbody shorter. As you can see, it hits me right under my waist, right by my butt. It's kind of low. Thanks everybody for watching. Have a happy new year and talk to you soon. Bye.